Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are making fruit salad. So this is not the tiara or Fanta fruit salad, this fruit salad is 100% natural. So before we dive in, I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I will start by juicing the oranges. This is what I'm going to be using in the fruit salad. I'm not going to use any tiara mix or Fanta or any beverage in it. I will go with natural orange juice. Don't forget to check my description box for a list of recommended videos you would be interested in. I am done juicing the oranges. I accidentally spilled some of it while I was juicing it in an attempt to open the juicer. Anyways, now get a bowl, a very big clean bowl, and then go ahead and add your fruits. You can use whatever fruit you want. For me, I am going for watermelon, pineapples, banana and papaya. You can use apple, you can use whatever fruit you like best. Use a spoon to mix everything together until well combined. I am adding dates in mine, chopped dates. If you like dates, go ahead and add it, and if you don't, you can skip it. At this point, bring out your orange juice and pour everything inside your fruit salad bowl, and there you have it, a natural fruit salad. So we have come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. If there's anything you'd like to see, just let me know in the comment section and I will make the video for you guys. So thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.